All right, ladies and gentlemen, today we are going to talk about los días de la semana, or the days of the week. Notice how días has an accent mark on I, and días refers to days, semana refers to weeks. Here we see Monday through Sunday. A couple things you should know. In the American culture, the day of the week begins on a Sunday, while the other nations tend to start the day of the week on a Monday. In Spanish, the days of the week are masculine and not capitalized, unlike their American counterpart. So let's begin. The first one we're going to go over is Lunes, or Monday. Lunes, lower capital L, remember that. The next day is Martes, or Tuesday, lower capital M. The next day is Miercoles, or Wednesday. Note the E has an accent mark as well. We are followed by Jueves, which is Thursday, lower capital J. Followed by Viernes, which is Friday. Next one is Sabado, which is Saturday. Notice the accent mark on the A, the first A. And the next one is Domingo, or Sunday, the last day of the week in most other countries. Let's go over all of them and see where we're at. First day is Lunes, Monday, Martes, Tuesday, Miércoles, Wednesday. Don't forget the accent mark on the first E. Jueves, Thursday, Viernes, Friday, Sábado, Saturday. Don't forget the accent mark on the A. And the next one and final one, Domingo, Sunday. Ladies and gentlemen, if you had issues trying to remember how to write or read or pronounce the days of the week, just stop and rewind this video. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one.